All right, today we're going to be looking at how to set up a Google Doc and kind of go over a little bit of a tour in Google Docs. So I'm on my Google Doc homepage. I'm going to go ahead and click on the blank. And once in here, we can go ahead and give it a name. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and change your font to Times New Roman. So you'll go ahead and click on Arial and change it to Times New Roman. We're going to change the font size as well. I always like to have mine in Times New Roman 12-point font. You can also do Arial in 12-point font or any other scholarly font. You don't want anything that looks skewonkus. The B is for bold, so it makes your letters big. The I is for italicize. The U is for underline. And this A right here is going to go ahead and change our font color. And this one is going to be a highlight.